Hello and welcome to this review of the Viceversa tarot. It's a very interesting one. It's, well, as it sounds, what's on the front is in the back. It's a very, very interesting deck. Of course, it does sort of make a bit of a hash of the whole, or putting the cards face down, but you know, it's a novelty concept. It's by the Scarab, made in Italy. Viceversa tarot, lo Scarab. Do we have who it's designed by? Massimiliano Filadero, artwork by Davide Corsi. So let's open her up. The one thing I usually find with a lot of these decks, they open up on this novelty idea, and it's relatively good idea, but the execution can be terrible. As in, it's a great idea, but then they just don't take the time on the cards themselves. Okay, first impression, box, all nice and glossy, feels nice. There we go. Roughly decent sized deck. Pop her out. Ooh. Okay. It's a good size in the hand. Oh. Okay, it's gonna be a typical Scarab book. Yada 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 yada. Yeah, typical Scarab book. You're definitely not gonna learn how to read tarot off that. Now. There we go. Now, boom, 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 boom. Let's see. Special tarot. Innovation, intuition, innovation. Okay. Thank you for choosing this deck of magical cards. The Scarab invites you to learn more about your tarot deck and follow the fool's footsteps into the fascinating world of tarot. Receive insider information in your decks. Learn to develop confident reading from online video courses. With this invitation, you'll receive an exclusive 15% discount on your first year's membership. No, thank you. Right. And the flip side of that is, ooh, not too bad. So, did I do this the wrong way around? I think I probably did, actually. There we go, Viceversa tarot. Yep. Okay, so, the Fool. Ooh. Okay. Now that's much more well thought out. We have the sunrise, the flower, then we have the moonlight. Excellent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this pile here, so we have a look at the back of the magician. Tree of life. Let's do. Okay, there has been quite a bit of thought put into this. A lot of symbology. White and black, switched faces. I have to say I'm really liking this artwork. And the flip side is dun, 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 dun. Pretty much what you'd expect. Death. And the rebirth. The devil. We should all get that fly in the background. The tower. Temperance. It's going to be a relatively long video because I have to keep flicking the sides. Judgment. Excuse me. It's definitely a decent amount of talk gone into these cards. Sorry, to get a drink. It really wasn't just thrown together. Ace of Pentacles. Interesting. We go for Pentacles. The elements. I mean, it's definitely a Rider-Waite clone-ish, but they have given it their own. It's not just ripping off. And I'm really loving the way they've done this Viceversa bit. It's well thought out. It's not anywhere near a gimmicky type deck. I mean, you could really read with this. Ooh. Ace of Wands. Excellent. I love this little fellow. Very well drawn. Very playful type character. Looks like two lads from down the pub. They've had one too many. But there's more going on in the background. Victory comes at a cost, doesn't it? Oh, Three of Swords. That's a nice one. Very handleable deck. I mean, it's good card stock. They feel good and they will shuffle well. Interesting take on the Nine of Swords. Yeah, I don't think he was very good at his job. And there's a card we saw at the start. So that is the Lascara Viceversa deck. Lascara Viceversa deck. By where's the name on that again? Massimiliano Filodoro. Artwork by Davide Corsi. I'd like to apologize to Massimiliano for butchering her or his name. Yeah, it's a gimmick, but it's not a gimmicky deck. I like it. I really do like it. If you like it, let me know. If you don't, let me know in the comments below. Click like and subscribe.